So I'm taking a look at the Trump the Trump meme coin. So most of you probably know Trump launched his official meme token or coin. I'm not a big meme coin guy. So, but I don't want to miss out on a hot investment here. So I figure we could just take a quick look at do some due diligence. Let's do some due diligence on this thing and see if it's worth throwing some money in. So I went to his site, gettrumpmemes.com, and it's pretty interesting. They really spell out exactly what's going to happen, essentially with the supply of the coin. And so I thought it was kind of interesting. So I guess when the coin launches, there's going to be 200 million in supply that's available, and then that's going to grow to a total of $1 billion. Excuse me, 1 billion Trumps over 3 years. And so I thought this was pretty pretty interesting because typically when you invest, whether it's into stock or real estate or some asset that you want the value to grow, um, having more of that asset in available for investment to the market, it actually lowers the value, right? So if I were to put this in real estate terms, if there was a town and the town had 200 homes, and then we knew that in 3 years the town would have 1,000 homes, you would never buy a home there because with the increased supply, that much increased supply, unless there is an insane amount of demand that is already there waiting and going to scoop it up, you're just going to have a ton of supply, not enough demand for it, and therefore the asset value kind of plummets. So I thought that's pretty interesting that it's right here on the page, that your coin is just going to be diluted over 3 years. So it gives you a schedule essentially, so you can get a visual of each month. We start here at the 200 and 200 million, and so at the end we're going to have the 1 billion supply there. And then I guess the other sort of unique thing is that when you add up these percentages that the creator, I guess, so the people that made this happen, essentially they're going to own 80% of the supply. And so it unlocks at different schedules. So at 3 months, 6 months, and 12-month um, intervals, you're going to have, again, a big, as you see in the chart, a big dump of additional supply. And that's when these people can actually sell. So they own the majority. So 80% of the supply is owned by these folks, and then they will be able to sell, which again is not going to be good for the value of the coin. And then I guess the remaining 20% is for us, right? The market. We get 20% available to us. So interesting. They do say it's not an investment opportunity, which is neat. But yeah, I don't see anything here that warrants any dollars going into this. It's not an investment, but going into this token. So Godspeed for those of you that give this a shot, and hope it works out well.